Little cat ballerina always dreamt of being a star. But there was some cat always envying her. So she tried to hurt her. Poor cat got hurt. The doctor told her she won't be able to dance for a while. But she never lost hope. The evil cat took her place for a while. But one day the star returned and everyone cheered for how gracefully she dances. And the cat tried to hurt her again, but she got exposed to the world. She took back her place in the spotlight.